Boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your host, right here, one more time, with another fun cocktail. Please, before I go any further, I would like to mention that if you haven't subscribed, this is your perfect time for it. I mean, there's a cool link right there. You just have to click on it and boom, that's it. You're going to get 2 videos, hopefully, every week. You know, that way you're going to be impressing your loved ones or your friends or just impress yourself. You never know. All right. So as I always mention, there is some kind of inspiration around the corner. Okay. And today is definitely not going to be the exception. Okay. So because of that, I've been trying not to say anything, but and stop talking about this guy, but he doesn't give me any chance. So let me show you how to make El Presidente Cocktail. Please stay here with me and let me show you how we do it. Well, El Presidente, or the President. Very simple, very easy cocktail. There's a couple things that I'm gonna say according with the little research that I did on it. It seems to be like you can actually use a blue curacao, orange blue curacao, but if you want to use upgrade just a little notch up, you can use Marnier. And instead of shaking it, actually stir, and it's gonna be a more velvety flavor. So let's put this into the test and let's start building our cocktail. So what we're gonna do is get our mixing glass, and we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of white rum, followed by 3/4 of dry vermouth, and same thing with Marnier. I'm not a big fan of the Marnier, but this is actually the perfect small little size, just 2 ounces, just to have a couple drinks here and there. I like my Cadillac margaritas, so this is actually pretty handy. But it's up to you if you want to get the big bottles. So we're gonna go for 3/4 as well. And we're gonna finalize this with 1 dash of Grenadin. Let's put in some ice. And let's give it a really good stir. Let's get a previously chilled martini glass. Okay, and for your garnish, obviously it's optional if you want to, but you don't have to. Just get like a really nice, fancy lemon peel. And here we go, you guys. El Presidente for everybody. Cheers, everyone.